Earth leakage circuit breakers, or ELCBs, are crucial safety devices designed to protect against electrical shock. An ELCB constantly monitors the current flowing through a circuit. If it detects an imbalance, indicating that some current is leaking to earth, it quickly disconnects the power to prevent injury or damage. Several factors can cause an ELCB to trip. One of the primary reasons is an earth fault. This occurs when there is direct contact between a live wire and earth or a grounded object. The leakage current then exceeds the ELCB sensitivity threshold, causing it to trip. Another common cause is insulation breakdown. Over time, the insulation in wires, appliances, or other electrical devices can deteriorate or become damaged. This can be due to exposure to moisture, heat, or mechanical stress. When the insulation weakens, it can allow current to leak to earth, again tripping the ELCB. Leakage paths can also trigger an ELCB. These paths are often created by conductive dust, moisture, or other contaminants that bridge isolation barriers. Corrosion or oxidation on metal surfaces can also create leakage paths. If enough current flows through these paths to earth, the ELCB will trip. Appliance malfunction is another frequent culprit. Internal leakage within appliances, such as water heaters, refrigerators, or power tools, can cause an imbalance in the circuit. Faulty components or wires can also create electrical imbalances that lead to tripping. Overloaded circuits can sometimes cause an ELCB to trip. When too many appliances or devices are connected to a single circuit, it can exceed the circuit's current carrying capacity. In some cases, increased voltage or harmonics can also cause the ELCB to trip prematurely. Nuisance tripping can occur if the ELCB is too sensitive. If the sensitivity threshold is set too low, the ELCB may trip under normal operating conditions. The electromagnetic interference from nearby electrical devices can also cause nuisance tripping. Wiring errors are another potential cause. Incorrect wiring, such as reverse polarity or improper grounding, can create potential leakage paths. Loose or faulty connections can also contribute to tripping. Surge or voltage spikes can also trigger the ELCB. Transient voltage surges or spikes can cause temporary leakage currents. These surges can be caused by lightning strikes or electrostatic discharges nearby. External factors can also play a role. Water intrusion into electrical panels or components can create a direct path to ground. Damage from rodents or pests chewing on wires or insulation can also lead to leakage. High humidity or extreme temperatures can also affect electrical insulation, increasing the likelihood of tripping. To prevent ELCB tripping, firstly, regularly inspect electrical cords and appliances for damage. Replace any damaged cords or have appliances repaired by a qualified technician. Secondly, avoid overloading circuits. Use power strips with built-in circuit breakers to prevent overloading. Thirdly, keep electrical panels and components clean and dry. Remove any dust, moisture, or other contaminants that could create leakage paths. Fourthly, ensure that all wiring is correct and up to code. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to inspect your wiring. Fifthly, consider installing surge protection devices to protect against voltage spikes. Sixthly, if you experience frequent nuisance tripping, consult with an electrician to determine if the ELCB is too sensitive or if there are other underlying issues. In addition to these preventive measures, it is also important to understand how ELCBs work and how to troubleshoot them. An ELCB works by comparing the current flowing through the live wire and the neutral wire. Under normal conditions, these currents should be equal. If there is a difference, it means that some current is leaking to earth. The ELCB is designed to detect even small differences in current, typically in the range of 30 mA. When the ELCB detects a leakage current exceeding its sensitivity threshold, it quickly disconnects the power to the circuit. This happens within milliseconds, which is fast enough to prevent serious injury. When an ELCB trips, it is important to identify the cause before resetting it. Firstly, unplug all appliances and devices from the circuit. Secondly, reset the ELCB. Thirdly, plug in each appliance and device one at a time until the ELCB trips again. The appliance or device that causes the ELCB to trip is likely the source of the problem. If you are unable to identify the cause of the tripping, it is best to call a qualified electrician. They can use specialized equipment to test the wiring and appliances to identify any faults. It is important to never bypass or disable an ELCB. These devices are designed to protect you from electrical shock, and tampering with them can be extremely dangerous. If you are experiencing frequent ELCB tripping, it is a sign that there is a problem with your electrical system that needs to be addressed. Ignoring the problem could lead to serious injury or damage. Leakage circuit breakers play a vital role in ensuring electrical safety. By understanding the reasons why they trip and taking steps to prevent tripping, you can protect yourself and your property from electrical hazards. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with electricity and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any concerns. Furthermore, let's delve into some specific scenarios and troubleshooting steps related to ELCB tripping. Firstly, consider the case of an old appliance. Over time, the insulation within older appliances can degrade, leading to increased leakage current. If you have an older refrigerator, washing machine, or other appliance, it may be the culprit behind frequent ELCB tripping. Try disconnecting the appliance and see if the tripping stops. If so, it's time to replace the appliance or have it professionally repaired. Secondly, examine the wiring in damp or wet locations. Bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor areas are particularly susceptible to moisture-related electrical problems. Check for any signs of water damage around outlets, switches, and junction boxes. If you find any, turn off the power to the circuit and have an electrician inspect the wiring. Thirdly, think about recent electrical work. If you've recently had electrical work done, such as adding new outlets or fixtures, there's a possibility that the wiring was not done correctly. Incorrect wiring can create leakage paths that cause the ELCB to trip. Contact the electrician who performed the work and have them check for any errors. Fourthly, investigate the impact of power tools. Power tools, especially those used outdoors, can be a common source of ELCB tripping. Damaged cords, faulty switches, or internal shorts can all cause leakage current. Before using any power tool, inspect it carefully for damage. Use ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protected outlets when using power tools outdoors. Fifthly, consider the role of lighting fixtures. Lighting fixtures, especially those with exposed metal parts, can be a source of leakage current if the wiring is not properly insulated. Check the wiring connections in the fixture and make sure that the metal parts are properly grounded. Replace any damaged wiring or faulty fixtures. Sixthly, address issues related to shared neutral wires. In some older homes, multiple circuits may share a single neutral wire. This can create imbalances in the current flow and cause the ELCB to trip. Have an electrician check your wiring to see if you have shared neutral wires and correct the problem if necessary. Seventhly, don't overlook the impact of pests. Rodents and insects can chew on wires and damage insulation, creating leakage paths. Check for signs of pest activity around electrical panels, outlets, and wiring. Seal any cracks or holes that pests could use to enter your home. Eighthly, assess the grounding system. A properly functioning grounding system is essential for preventing electrical shock and ensuring that the ELCB can detect leakage current. Have an electrician inspect your grounding system to make sure that it is properly installed and connected. Ninthly, think about seasonal variations. Changes in humidity and temperature can affect the insulation resistance of electrical wiring. During periods of high humidity, leakage current may increase, causing the ELCB to trip. Consider using a dehumidifier in damp areas to reduce humidity levels. Tenthly, check for loose connections. These connections can create resistance in the circuit, which can lead to increased heat and potential leakage current. Check all wiring connections to make sure that they are tight and secure. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when working with electricity. If you are not comfortable performing any of these troubleshooting steps, it is best to call a qualified electrician. They have the knowledge and equipment to diagnose and repair electrical problems safely and effectively. Leakage circuit breakers are an essential part of any electrical safety system. By understanding how they work and taking steps to prevent tripping, you can protect yourself and your family from electrical hazards. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you have any concerns about your electrical system. Let's also talk about more advanced ELCB-related concepts. Firstly, understanding ELCB types. There are different types of ELCBs available, each with different sensitivity levels and tripping characteristics. Standard ELCBs are designed to trip at a leakage current of 30 mA, which is considered safe for human contact. However, some applications may require more sensitive ELCBs, such as those used in hospitals or industrial settings. Secondly, exploring selective coordination. In some electrical systems, it is important to ensure that only the ELCB closest to the fault trips, while other ELCBs remain operational. This is known as selective coordination. Selective coordination can be achieved by using ELCBs with different time delay characteristics. Thirdly, delving into harmonic currents. Harmonic currents are distortions in the electrical waveform that can be caused by electronic devices such as computers and variable frequency drives. Harmonic currents can cause ELCBs to trip prematurely, even if there is no actual leakage current. Fourthly, examining the impact of DC leakage. DC leakage current can occur in some electrical systems, such as those with solar panels or electric vehicle chargers. DC leakage current can saturate the ELCB's magnetic core, causing it to malfunction. Fifthly, considering the use of residual current monitors. Residual current monitors, or RCMs, are devices that continuously monitor the leakage current in an electrical system. RCM can provide early warning of potential problems and can help prevent ELCB tripping. Sixthly, understanding the importance of regular testing. ELCBs should be tested regularly to ensure that they are functioning properly. The testing procedure typically involves pressing a test button on the ELCB, which simulates a leakage current and causes the ELCB to trip. Seventhly, exploring the use of arc fault circuit interrupters. Arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFCIs, are devices that detect arc faults, which are dangerous electrical conditions that can cause fires. AFCIs can be used in conjunction with ELCBs to provide comprehensive electrical safety protection. Eighthly, delving into the standards and regulations. Electrical safety standards and regulations vary from country to country. It is important to be familiar with the standards and regulations in your area to ensure that your electrical system is safe and compliant. Ninthly, examining the role of qualified electricians. Qualified electricians have the knowledge and experience to design, install, and maintain electrical systems safely and effectively. It is important to hire a qualified electrician for any electrical work that you are not comfortable performing yourself. Tenthly, understanding the importance of continuous learning. Electrical technology is constantly evolving. It is important to stay up to date on the latest developments in electrical safety to ensure that you are providing the best possible protection for yourself and others. Remember, electrical safety is a shared responsibility. By understanding the risks and taking steps to mitigate them, we can all help to prevent electrical accidents and injuries. In conclusion, earth leakage circuit breakers are essential safety devices that protect against electrical shock. Understanding the reasons why they trip, taking steps to prevent tripping, and staying up to date on the latest electrical safety information are all crucial for ensuring a safe and reliable electrical system.